Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to learn how to design fitness Instagram story templates in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file, link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file and get ready. In case if you want that completely designed .psd files means hit the like button. Soon after reaching 500 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to File, New and create a new canvas in Photoshop. Standard Instagram story size is 1080 by 1920, so go with that size. Keep the resolution as 72, color mode as RGB. In case if you want to create multiple templates in a single file means, don't forget to enable the artboard option. This one, fine. Of course this is optional. If you don't want, you can disable it. Else, you can go to the project file, open the Instagram PSD file inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file, size is 1080 by 1920. I have enabled the artboard option. As I said before, you can create multiple templates in a single file. We are going to create totally 3 story templates. Fine. And I have given you the color palette, the colors we are going to use in this design. We will come to story templates 2, 3 later. Let's start with story template 1. First, we are going to drop in our model image. Now select the image folder. Now go to the project file. Open the model image 1 inside Photoshop. Of course, you can go with your image. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image inside image group. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next, to make our image pop out, I'm going to add a sunlight effect. For that, create a layer. Change the layer blending mode to screen. Go to color picker. Now sample and select this orange color. Now pick the brush tool. There I'm going to select the soft round brush, this one. Now increase the size and give a single click on right side top. There you go. We created a realistic sunlight effect. Fine. Next we're going to create 2 triangle shapes. For that, go to design group. Create a layer. Now go to color picker. Sample and select this yellow color. Of course you can pick any color you want. Now pick the polygon laser tool, this one. Now create a triangle selection like so. Soon after creating your selection, now hit Alt backspace to fill the color. Now hit Ctrl D to deselect. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy of this layer by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'll move it up. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T, right click, flip it horizontally. Now again right click, flip it vertically. Now move the shape to left side top here. If you want, you can resize the shape. I'm going to place it here. There you go. Now our shapes are ready. Next we are going to add our text content. For that, go to text group, create a layer. Now go to color picker. I'm going with white color. The font I'm using here is a free font. I'll give a link in the description. You can download it if you want. I'm going with size as 64. Now add your text content. I'll create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Edit the text. I'll create another copy, Ctrl J. Move it down, edit the text. Adjust the position of your text layer by using your keyboard arrow keys. Once you're done, next we're going to add our website address. For that, create a layer, go to color picker. I'm going to change the color to black. I'm using very same font. I'll reduce the font size, add your website address. I'm going to place it on right side bottom here. Next, we're going to add few random shapes. For that, we're going to install a new brush. Now go to the project file. There you will see a brush file called fitness brush. Double click and install the brush. Now roll back to Photoshop, create a new layer inside design group. Now go to color picker, pick black color. Now pick the brush tool. Now select the newly installed brush. There I'm going to select the cross brush, this one. Fine, now reduce the size. I'm going to give a single click here. Next, I'm going to use another brush, this plus sign brush, this one. You can add wherever you want. I'm going to add the plus sign here. Fine. Now our story template is almost done. As a final effect, we're going to add glow effect. For that, create a layer, change the layer blending mode to color dodge. Now go to color picker, select kind of dark yellow color. Now pick brush tool there, select soft round brush, this one. Now increase the size and give a single click like so. Next, I'm going to give another click on left side top. There you go, we got attractive glow effect. Now our story template 1 is ready. Let's move to our second template. Enable the second template group. Like template 1, we are going to drop in our model image first. Go to the project file, open the model image 2 inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Of course, you can use your image. Make sure to use kind of dark background image. Place it inside image group. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. In this template, we're going to add a smoke effect. Let's see how to create smoke effect. Go to design group, create a layer. Now go to color picker. Sample and select this green color. Of course, you can choose any bright color. It's up to you. Now pick the brush tool. Now select the newly installed brush. There select the cloud brush, this one. Using that brush, give few clicks at the bottom like so. There you go, we created the smoke effect, but it doesn't look realistic. We're going to take care of that. For that, create a layer. Now change the layer blending mode to screen. Now go to color picker. I'm going with the same green color. Now pick the brush tool. There I'm going to select the soft round brush. Now add few random clicks at the bottom to create that glow effect, which in turn will make the smoke look little more realistic. This is before and after. Looks good. Next, we're going to add our text content. Now go to text group, create a layer. Now go to color picker. Select any color you want. I'm going with white here. I'm going to use a different font, and yes, this font also a free one. I'll give link in the description. You can download it. Now add your text content. I'll place it at the center here. I'll create a duplicate copy. Ctrl J. Edit the text. I'm going to change the color of this text layer to black. Next, I'll create another duplicate copy. Ctrl J. Edit the text. I'll reduce the font size. Adjust the position using your keyboard arrow keys. Next, we got an empty space on right side top. We're going to take care of that. For that, go to design group, create a layer. Now go to color picker and pick the green color. Now disable the color palette. Now pick the brush tool. There I'm going to select the newly installed brush. There I'm going to select this circle brush. Increase the size and give a single click. There you go. Now our story template 2 is ready. We just turned a basic image into an attractive story template. This is before and after. Looks stunning. Let's move to story template 3. Enable the group. As we did before, yes, we're going to drop in our model image first. Go to the project file, open model image 3 inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it. Once you're done, we're going to add our text content. We're going to play with text layers here. Create a layer inside text group. Go to color picker, select white color. Now add your text. I'm using the very same font. I'll place it at the center here. Now create a duplicate copy. Ctrl J. Move it down. There you go. Next, we're going to reduce the fill level down to 0. Don't worry, we're going to add a stroke effect. Now right click, blending option, enable stroke. There I'm going to keep the size as 3, position as outside. mode as normal, opacity as 100. We will get such kind of text effect. Click OK. Next I'm going to create another duplicate copy, Ctrl J, move it down. I added a basic mockup text. You can add any special codes, something like that. Next we're going to create rectangle shapes. For that, go to design group, create a layer, go to color picker, pick this pink color. Now select the shapes tool. There I'm going to select the rectangle tool and now create a rectangle shape like so on left side. There you go. Next I'm going to create another rectangle shape on right side bottom. Same step, create a layer with pink color selected. With same rectangle tool I'm going to create a rectangle shape here. Okay, I'm going to change the layer blending mode to multiply so that we'll get such kind of cool effect. Next we're going to add few random shapes using our fitness brush. For that, create a layer inside design group, go to color picker, select white color. Now pick the brush tool, select the newly installed fitness brush. There select the plus sign brush, reduce the size. I'm going to give a single click here. Fine. Next I'm going to select the circle brush, this one. Give a single click on left side top here. I'll reduce the size and I'll give another click here. Once you're done, our story template 3 is ready. Disable the color palette. Now all our story templates are ready. Now export the file as JPEG or PNG and share it in your social media accounts. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, take care.